Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick overview of what I'm running on my bike and my gear. Well, let's get to it. So I'm going to start out with what's new on my bike. Up here, we have the 1UP EDC light. Down here, we have my new Fidlock water bottle. I also put a sticker on there. The pizza's really good. I have Syncross fender for the Fox 34 Performance, and I am running 1UP aluminum pedals. I am also running a MRP bash guard. Now let's get on to what I wear or what I bring with me on my rides. So to start out, I have these 510 free riders, my Camelback mule. Yeah, it's a water bag. Something that I've been using for a while now is this granite bike tool. It's just a ratcheting wrench with a whole bunch of different bits on it. I use this cheap shock pump that we got off of Amazon. It's the exact same one that's sold by RockShox, but it's under a different name. This one's like Geo Crank Brothers bike pump. This one has the gauge on it. I just got these for Christmas. I'm wearing these Sock Guy Bigfoot socks, which they have a blue that match my bike. I got these for Christmas. These are the Fox Paw Tector gloves. These work really great. These are the navy blue almost with fluorescent orange on it. Fox Mainstay goggles. This is the fluorescent orange, which they match my gloves. The POC Tectile Race Spin. This has the goggle strap on the back. It does have the spin pads. It also has the Aramid bridges, which I think is like Kevlar. It also has the Reco, which is the avalanche rescue system. So, one of the things I will be installing sometime are these Fillmore tubeless valve stems. They're my Santa Cruz Reserve. Okay, so another thing I will be installing is the it's a protection kit for your frame by Ride Wraps. We got the tailored, which fits the whole frame. This will work great. It's by Ride Wraps, so go check them out. Well, I think that's it.